Welcome to another episode of Lady Nature, and today we're going to be looking at understanding settlements. A place where people live is called a settlement. That means wherever you are, that's your settlement. This can be temporary or permanent. A settlement is formed for a number of reasons: for safety, for water for basic needs, food to provide for yourself and your family, and even for work purposes. A settlement may be formed. There are two types of settlements: rural settlements and urban settlements. A rural settlement is an area where people settle in the country areas. In this area, you have few persons living there, and their main source of income is from farming and animal rearing. There are fewer buildings and roads, and it's pretty peaceful there. And some examples of that would be villages and hamlets. An urban settlement is a densely populated area, meaning that you have a lot of persons living there. Include cities and towns. In urban areas, you tend to find a lot of tall buildings, and roads. Jobs are available in factories, offices, and other services, and it's pretty crowded and busy. Now let's move on to settlement patterns. There are three types of settlement patterns: linear settlement pattern, nucleated settlement pattern, and dispersed settlement pattern. Linear settlement patterns have houses and buildings arranged in a long line. As you can see on the picture, these buildings are arranged along a road. Other areas where you could find linear settlement patterns include railways, the coastline, along the base of a hill, and even along a river. Nucleated settlement patterns, otherwise known as clustered settlement patterns, are characterized by buildings and houses grouped together or closely packed together. These are normally found along a road junction, a marketplace, or in areas like small towns. Dispersed settlement pattern, otherwise known as scattered settlement pattern, is a type of settlement where homes and buildings are spread out over a large area. This type of settlement is normally found in the rural areas where farming and animal rearing are the main source of economic activities. In summary, the key points to note is that a settlement is where people live. There are two main types of settlements: rural and urban settlements, and there are three types of settlement patterns. These include linear settlement pattern, nucleated settlement pattern, and dispersed settlement pattern. Thank you for watching. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe. See you on the next video.